Hey everybody, Paul here with VEURINK'S RV Center in Newaygo. We have some really cool Black Friday specials today and tomorrow, Saturday. This is one of the ones that we're featuring. You're going to get a great discount on this one. This is a 2023 22 MLS. This is a Hideout by Keystone. This thing is really cool. It comes with heated lithium batteries, and you get solar panels on top to help charge those batteries. Really impressive on those lithium batteries. You'll have to give me a call so I can send you some more information on those. Those are really impressive, but really cool couples coach layout. You get your dinette here, spot for a TV up top, plenty of storage throughout, huge cabinet right here. They even give you a really cool integrated vacuum right here, which is pretty awesome. They give you a really long hose as well. And then kind of over to the kitchen, you get a really good size fridge over here, counter space galore on the back end of this thing, which is really cool. Drawers and cabinets throughout. And then they're gonna give you this kind of cool frosted glass background on those, which I really like. And then the bathroom in the back, so you get a little vent in the shower to get you a little extra height. Plenty of space in there. And this actually has an on-demand water heater, so you're not gonna run out as long as you got water to supply that on-demand water heater. And then your bed, you got your hanging storage up above or on the side, and then extra storage above. This unit will stay nice and cool in the summer, warm in the winter. If you have any questions, give me a call, 231-974-3322. Thanks.